Aries, 25th November 2024. Love life, passion is in the air, Aries. If you are in a relationship, today offers an opportunity to rekindle the spark. Plan a surprise for your partner or suggest an adventurous date to reconnect. For singles, your confidence and charisma could attract someone new and exciting. Keep your heart open but don't rush into commitments. Career, your ambition takes center stage today. A sudden idea or opportunity could propel you forward, but make sure you assess all angels before diving in. Your natural leadership skills will shine, so don't shy away from taking charge in group settings. Well-being, you might feel an adrenaline rush from the excitement of the day. Channel this energy into productive activities, but don't neglect rest. A quick workout or mindfulness exercise can help maintain balance. Advice: embrace the fiery energy of the day, but stay grounded. While enthusiasm is great, make sure to think through your decisions. Lucky color, bright red. Lucky number, 4. Taurus, 25th November 2024. Love life, today, stability in love takes center stage. Couples may find joy in quiet, meaningful moments together. Plan a cozy evening or revisit cherished memories. Singles, this is a day for self-love and building confidence before seeking new connections. Career, your practical approach serves you well. A complex issue might arise, but your problem-solving skills will lead to a reliable solution. Teamwork could bring unexpected benefits, so lean on colleagues for support. Well-being, you are feeling steady and grounded today. A focus on nourishing foods and a bit of light exercise can amplify your sense of well-being. Advice: embrace the comfort of routine today and prioritize consistency in your actions. Lucky color, rose pink. Lucky number, 3. Gemini, 25th November 2024. Love life, communication is your strongest asset today. If you are in a relationship, open up about your feelings to clear any misunderstandings. Singles, engaging in thoughtful conversations could lead to unexpected romantic connections. Career, your multitasking abilities will be tested. Prioritize tasks to avoid spreading yourself too thin. A colleague might provide valuable insight into a project you are working on. Well-being, mental agility is high, but you may feel physically restless. Incorporate movement into your day, whether it's a quick workout or a walk, to channel your energy constructively. Advice: stay organized and focus on clear communication to make the most of today. Lucky color, sky blue. Lucky number, 8. Cancer, 25th November 2024. Love life, your nurturing side takes center stage today. Couples will find joy in shared acts of kindness, while singles might attract someone with their compassionate energy. Career, a structured approach will help you manage the workload efficiently. A colleague may seek your guidance, offering your support will strengthen professional bonds. Well-being, emotional balance is essential. Spend time journaling or meditating to process your feelings and maintain inner peace. Advice: stay grounded by focusing on small, meaningful actions that bring harmony to your day. Lucky color, moonstone white. Lucky number, 2. Leo, 25th November 2024. Love life, your natural charisma shines today, drawing others to you effortlessly. Couples will enjoy playful banter, while singles may encounter someone intrigued by your vibrant energy. Career, your leadership skills are in the spotlight. Take charge of a group task or presentation, as your confidence will inspire others to follow your lead. Well-being, stay active to channel your high energy constructively. A workout or dance session will keep your spirits high and your body energized. Advice, lead with kindness, as your influence is stronger when combined with empathy. Lucky color, gold. Lucky number, 5. Virgo, 25th November 2024. Love life, clear communication will be key in your relationships today. Couples may need to address a minor misunderstanding, while singles benefit from honest and thoughtful conversations with someone new. Career, you will find yourself focused on details others may overlook. Your precision and analytical skills make a significant impact on a project. Well-being, tend to your mental health by practicing mindfulness or journaling. Clearing your mind will leave you feeling refreshed. Advice, don't let perfectionism hold you back. Sometimes, good enough is all that's needed. Lucky color, soft brown. Lucky number, 6. Libra, 25th November 2024. Love life, today brings a harmonious vibe to your relationships. Couples will find it easy to agree on plans, while singles may meet someone who complements their personality beautifully. Career, collaboration is the keyword. Teamwork will help you achieve more than working alone. Lean on others' strengths to balance your workload. Well-being, focus on emotional balance. Take time for self-reflection or enjoy a creative hobby to center yourself. Advice, keep an open mind. Listening to others' perspectives will lead to valuable insights. Lucky color, pastel peach. Lucky number, 7. Scorpio, 25th November 2024. Love life, a mysterious aura surrounds you today, drawing admirers closer. Couples may feel a surge of passion, while singles could attract someone intriguing. Career, your determination shines. A challenging task will demand focus, but your resilience will lead to success and recognition. Well-being, prioritize hydration and rest. Your energy may feel scattered, so slow down to recharge. Advice, trust your instincts, they'll guide you to the right opportunities and connections. Lucky color, blood red. Lucky number, 9. Sagittarius, 25th November 2024. Love life, your adventurous spirit is in full swing. Couples should plan something exciting to rekindle the spark, while singles might find love during a spontaneous outing. Career, your enthusiasm is contagious, motivating your team to tackle challenging tasks. A proposal you present today may gain positive traction. Well-being, stay hydrated and incorporate energizing foods like fruits and nuts to maintain your stamina. Advice, take the lead, you'll inspire others with your optimism and vision. Lucky color, turquoise. Lucky number, 1. Capricorn, 25th November 2024. Love life, a calm and nurturing day for relationships. Couples can reconnect through meaningful conversations, while singles may feel drawn to someone who shares their values. Career, your dedication doesn't go unnoticed. Expect recognition for your hard work, which may lead to new opportunities. Well-being, focus on improving your posture and stretching if you've been sitting for long hours. Advice, stay grounded and humble, even as others admire your achievements. Lucky color, dark green. Lucky number 10. Aquarius, 25th November 2024. Love life, today, focus on building emotional connections with those you care about. Aquarius couples may find that sharing their dreams or experiences brings them closer, while singles could be drawn to someone who stimulates their intellect. Career, your innovative ideas are at the forefront today, and your approach to problem solving will impress others. Be open to new perspectives and collaborative opportunities. Well-being, recharge your mental energy with some mindfulness exercises or relaxing activity. Your mind might be buzzing with new ideas. Take a break and let things sink in. Advice, don't be afraid to express your unique thoughts and vision, especially in professional settings. Your originality is your greatest asset. Lucky color, electric purple. Lucky number 11. Pisces, 25th November 2024. Love life, today, Pisces, you may feel deeply connected to your partner on an emotional level. If you've been holding back your feelings, now is the time to share your innermost thoughts. Singles might experience a serendipitous moment of connection with someone who resonates with their soul. Career, your intuition is a powerful tool at work today. Trust your gut feelings when making decisions. Creative solutions are within reach, and you might find that your imaginative ideas catch the attention of your colleagues. Well-being, your emotional sensitivity is heightened today, so take extra care of your mental health. It might help to spend some quiet time with yourself, journaling or meditating to center your thoughts. Advice, let your inner voice guide you, whether in love, career, or well-being. Your intuition is a trusted advisor. Lucky color, sea green. Lucky number 12.